What's up, guys? It's Brendan from Market Makers. It is Monday, September 20th. As predicted, Bitcoin fell almost to the dollar where I have it on my pattern, my friends. Guys, let's look at this real quick and I'll come back to the Discord. It all started with the butterfly 20% drop in the market. The black swan formed right over here. And the queen of the dance, the black swan, 15% market drop. 15% market drop. The same time other YouTubers were posting Bitcoin 60K, the next day Bitcoin 70K, Bitcoin 350K. We were shorting the market and it paid big dividends, my friends. Look at this results. Look at the results we got in our room. This is before he joined the room. 300 minus 365. After he joined, plus 155. 652%. Look at these numbers: 98%, 156, 176, 137, 362%. Guys, this is all today. $12,000 profit, 111%, 676%. Amazing trades over the past 2 days. Never had this confidence in trades with any other group before. Thank you, mate. 835%. Guys, what is your room doing for you? What are you paying for in your room? There is no other signals group that is blowing up the way our group is blowing up. We started in June with 5 people. We now have 900 people in our signals group. We have over 4,500 people in the room, okay? After starting with 5 people, I personally have captured over 60% of the BTC market movement over the last 2 weeks. Over 60%. My trades are 10 and 0. Nobody on YouTube is doing that, and nobody's harmonic pattern trading because they don't understand it. They watch very basic, this is how you TA videos, and that's what they relay to the masses, guys. These other rooms, most of them are a waste of money, and you can just look at people's thumbnails and judge how well they know the market. When I was shorting the market in our room and we're booking profits, setting up our trade, they're coming out with videos like pump to 60K, 70K very soon, and then of course after it happens, this is very bad. And then the next video, minus 10,000 crash. And then, of course, BitBoy, who sends out a tweet a couple days ago saying September is wrapping up the bull market. It's going to end in early October. Take your profits off the table. Then he comes out and says, I was wrong. This is yesterday. I was wrong about Bitcoin. The truth about BTC price prediction. And he says 350K Bitcoin this year. Okay, guys, there's a difference between reading the market and chasing the market. Okay, these guys don't understand how to read the market. They only understand how to react to the market. If you can read the market, you would have had this pattern drawn, and you would have known that the market was going to drop potentially by a huge amount. And again, 15% move, guys. So let's look at where this goes right now. So right now we have all these different patterns at play. Where's the price going? Guys, well, we're actually in a pattern right now called the Bullish Shark. Let me show you that really quickly. Where is that? Oh, right here. This is the Bullish Shark. So we have this Bullish Shark, and again, I pre-drew this pattern. I knew it was going to form, and we landed. When I told you 44K yesterday, we went down to the extension, landed, and if you're in the room, you would have got this trade and you would have known the extension. Sweet buying opportunity right down here. Market comes up from all the way down to, what is that, 42.4, and it went up to, let's see, went up to 44,226, okay? 2,000 point move if you bought it at the very bottom. This pattern validated. It could go up from here. It could also go down. This is a very precarious situation because of all the selling pressure. The US markets are red. But guys, all this information is in the room. People are printing money in this room. That's why the room is exploding. And that's why, guys, 24 hours. That's all we're giving for people to join at $40 a month. The rate hike is going into effect sooner because 150 people joined in the last 2 days. So the rate hike is going into effect to $80 24 hours from now. Again, no risk, fully refundable. You're not going to want your money back. If you want to make money, you need to be in this room. So this is a pattern we're in right now. We're tracking this very closely because, again, it is a very precarious pattern to be in. I can show you some of the resistance here in this pattern is pretty intense. And you can see all the GAN resistance right here for a rise up. This is why you're having this wide range of going up and down, up and down. The market could come up some. It could also easily roll, my friends. And again, this is why it's important to look at the daily patterns, okay? Because the daily patterns, we have several that are tracking 100%, and that key number I keep showing you guys is this 38K number. Again, that's the 65K high, the 28,790 low. That's the 618, the most commonly retraced to number. And when you zoom out and look at this view, that's your market high. That's your market low. Here's your bear cycle high, 52,972, and now you just had that 48.8. You're trending down again, and I think when we hit this 38 number, there's several different patterns that can play out from here, again, because this is 618, and this is the Gartley pattern, and that would take you back to 47 for yet another lower high, okay? So you'd have a series of lower highs, and then Bitcoin would descend into the mid-30s, and at that point, again, it will make a decision to go up or go down into our buy box of 19K to 14K, my friends. And again, there's other patterns that are still tracking because there's different situations that the price can move to. So this is a cipher pattern, which would take you to a higher high of 59. Everything else is pretty much the same. And of course, the Black Widow, everybody's asking me about, is this still in effect? 100%. It's still tracking to the fibs. We bounced off the 382 before. We could easily bounce off the 618. And guys, what is the number for the 618? Oh, 38,027. The exact same number as every other daily pattern that I'm tracking, okay? And again, if we follow this C retracement, this takes you to 57K, and we don't want to be in the Black Widow because this doesn't have the option necessarily to go to 34K. This is a dissension pattern. This is a death pattern with a 90% accuracy rate of breaking in the correct direction once it's validated. The strongest pattern in harmonic pattern trading is the Gartley pattern. This would take you down to 14K. Not like that, my friends. You would be pumping, you would be dumping, you would be trading. This could take months, it could take weeks, but this is a dissension pattern, okay? And again, these other patterns can just as easily come into play, and it's all going to depend on getting to that 618, the 38,027. We track patterns in every time frame. Myself and my other admin, he's an expert harmonics pattern trader. Guys, this is the room to be in to make money, okay? If you want to make money, come try the room before the price hike. You have 24 hours. I suggest you join. You will be very impressed. We are doing something different on Discord. We are not teenagers milking people for money. We're not moon boys. We're traders. We don't care if Bitcoin goes up or down. We want to stack money either way. You don't have to know how to trade. We can teach you. All you have to know is how to copy. We give you the entrance. We give you the price targets. We give you the stop loss. We give you the exit point, my friends. Everything is handed to you. Come, be successful, make money in this market. Stop chasing price. Stop being in a cultish group that's a moon boy group. There's so much money to be made in this market. You can find it. This is the beginning of your journey to financial freedom. Come check us out. Our link is in the video description. Guys, and if you want a fantastic exchange, click on the BITGET link in the video description. No VPN. No KYC. Australia, UK, USA, I'm talking to you guys. $630 in bonuses and private tournaments with our link. Click that link, get on BitGet, get in the room, come make money with us. I'll talk to you soon, my friends.